I'm Marshall Bradshaw. Our company's Lightning Glassworks Screens. We do window repair, screen repairs, window install. Our goal is to provide good service in a timely manner. I'm proud of the fact that we've been able to be in business now for 33 years. It is a family business, and what I like about it is being able to work with all of my children and be able to pass on a skill. Our customers really like it. That's why they choose us a lot of times, is because we are family owned. And when they ask who's going to be coming to do the work, I tell them, well, probably one of my sons, and they like that. Some of the day-to-day challenges is just keeping up with the amount of work that comes in. So those challenges can affect us in a way that may take up more of our time than we'd like.
Marshall, the owner, my dad, he loves scrap pieces of paper. And that's how I grew up with him managing jobs. And that worked for him, like having paper, and he knew what was going on. But then as we grew, with my brother joining and me joining, we needed another app to sync together our jobs and part list and what was happening. I just searched through the App Store. I looked at all the different apps for service businesses and how to manage them, and came across ServiceM8.
This app helps us with good communication, and our customers really appreciate that. I get complimented on it almost on a daily basis, I would say.
Now we know what step we're on, what step is next, if the job is done, what stage the job is in. The client is better kept informed. We can communicate with them very easily. So when we go to a job, we text from ServiceM8, we check in on the job, it sends the text to the client, and people really love that.
When the job is completed, they'll mark it completed, and then it'll show up in our queue, and then I'm able to see where the jobs are, how they're doing, are they running behind, what kind of help do they may need. So it allows all of us to feel a little more at ease with how the work's going for the day. And it cuts down also on a lot of questions or uneasiness as to what they may encounter when they get to the job, because that information's already in there.
Syncing to QuickBooks, that saved a lot of time. Our technicians can collect payment on the job site right away. They can collect half down payments on the job site right away from credit card. In the office, we schedule our guys a week out. They go through each job that they have in the morning. They can head out to the job site right away. They can text the customer on their own.
One of my goals has been to kind of back out a little bit, and family is running it more, so I'm less involved. So it's actually allowed for that to happen in a good way. So now everybody can work together as a greater team. This is the best app we've ever had. So I really, really enjoy it. That's why we've had it so long, because it just works for us.